What is meant by a dock panel? Create one dock panel in this create dock panel. So we use dock panel to dock a child elements towards left, top, right, and bottom. So let's see how it is. First of all, create dock panel, and we'll add one text block to the stack dock panel. We'll see just dock panel demo. This is dock panel demo, and we'll give this some font size to make it visible for us. So this is a dock panel which we added. Now in this we want to add a child element. So which first child element will dock to the top, then bottom, then left and right. So take one shape that is rectangle to understand this how this dock panel works, and fill this rectangle with yellow. Let's say this is yellow, and give some size to this width and height. Width, let's say 100, and height also 100. So now we are going to add multiple rectangles into this dock panel, so we can make this windows or resources, and I can add common styles for it. So add a style, and this make this target for this style. So rect styles, target as a rectangle. So we can add this setters to set these styles. Width and height property, set it from here, so we need not to copy it again for remaining part. So we'll make this series of set styles from here, and this is for height, and this is for width, and this is for height. Okay, so we'll apply this common styles to everywhere. Style, and this static resources as a rectangle styles. So this first rectangle we added, and this by default will be docked to the left, and we will change this property, dock panel property, to dock to the top. So it will be moved to the top. So can you see here, this quickly has been moved. This rectangle of a yellow color has been moved to the top side. We'll copy this same rectangle to make it available for other side as well. And for instead of yellow, this make it red, and dock this towards to the bottom. And see, immediately it will be moved to the bottom side. And we can make it now for left and right. So can copy this same and change the field color. Let's say take this orange, and this to the left side. So it will be moved to the left side. Last one is towards the right side. So change the color for this one as well. Let's make it green, and towards the right side. You can see this way we can make this dock to the each side. And just to make it this beautify, we'll move this text block to the vertical and alignment for this to the center, and horizontal alignment to the center. So it will becomes to the center. So let's see how we made this to the dock panel. We dock to the top side, this yellow, then this red to the bottom side, and this orange to the left side, and green to the right side. So it arranges the style elements as per the dock property.